If your family is getting together this weekend, or you're invited to a backyard barbecue, and you're supposed to bring something, I have an idea. Why not bring a go-along that will go along with everything? Plus, it's super colorful, goes together in minutes, and is quite tasty. We start by mixing a bag of pre-shredded coleslaw mix with some celery, which gives it lots of crunch. And to make sure we have the most colorful dish on the table, we add a good amount of red and yellow peppers that we've chopped. Now for the secret ingredient that gives this dish just the right amount of wow, we add a chopped jalapeno pepper. And when we toss this with our dressing, which is simply some brown sugar dissolved in bottled Italian dressing, get ready for a side dish that is going to be the star of any get-together. What makes this so good is the combo of the sweet and savory dressing, along with the kick you get from all the peppers, combined with all the crunch. To get the recipe, all you need to do is head over to our website and type in Summer's Best Slaw. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a colorful and crunchy way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.